Good morning, children. Yes, today we will complete the unit 2, Who is Lazy, the last page, that is page number 24. But this, children, you have to write in grammar notebook. So let us consider as grammar. Okay, grammar from page number 24. Grammar, page number 24. Now, children, already we have learnt about nouns. So, tell me what is noun? Noun is a naming word. It can be any person, place, animal, bird, things. We name it. So, naming the things we call as noun. Right? And we learnt about 3 types of noun. One is common noun. Common means any person, any place, any animal. And proper noun. Proper noun, a particular name given to that animal. We call as proper noun. And the collective noun, a group of its kinds. Right? Group of its kinds. We say collective noun. Right? Now let us learn 2 more types, that is in your lesson part. So, nouns. Put the heading as nouns. Now, we will learn about countable nouns, countable noun and uncountable noun. Okay, we will learn about countable noun and uncountable noun. Right? You must have got an idea. Countable and uncountable. What is countable? The things which we can count. Right? Like I have one chalk in my hand. Right? 1. In the quantity we can say 1, 2, 3. That all are countable nouns. Uncountable noun means the things which we cannot count in a separate unit, right? The chalk we can count in a separate unit, but the hair, can we count hair in a separate unit? No, we cannot count the hair. So, here let us learn about countable noun and uncountable noun. So, the first one is countable noun. Okay, write the point about countable noun. Countable noun. So what does this countable noun says? It says it can be seen as separate units. Right? It can be seen in separate. It can be seen in separate unit, right? Separate unit. How can we say that separate unit? Yes, we can say it as in a separate unit, like one flower, one crayon, right? One mobile, one table, one chair, one fan. We can say in a counting name, right? The numbers, it can be seen in a separate units, right? You can say one car, 5 children. You can say one car, 5 children, 9 keys. 9 keys. Right? And 100 flowers. Yeah? 100 flowers. Right? Etc. So here we can count the things. One car, 5 children, 9 keys, 100 flowers, etc. So these are the examples for countable noun. We can count it, right? And we cannot say one flower, like we cannot say one hair, one star, right? So that all are uncountable nouns. Here children, we use many with this countable noun. We use many. Like there are many cars, there are many children, there are so many keys, there are so many flowers in the garden, right? So we use many for countable noun, right? We use many word for countable noun. Understood? About countable noun, it can be seen in separate unit, right? And you can say one car, 5 children, right? And 100 keys, 9 keys, 100 flowers, etc. And what we use when we are saying about countable nouns which we can count, we use the word many. Okay? Underline this. So, these are the 2 points we learned about countable noun. Right? Now, the exact opposite we have to write for uncountable noun. Uncountable noun, it cannot say in a separate unit and we cannot say 1 water, 3 air, right? Such as sand, salt, sugar, air, mountains, mud, right? Stones. We cannot say them in a separate unit. Understood? So let us know about the uncountable noun. So pause the video and write these points about countable noun. Okay? Are you clear with it? Okay, now pause the video and write this. Yes children, now here already I have written about uncountable noun. As I said you, the opposite of countable noun. See, what does it say? Uncountable noun says it cannot be seen as separate units. The separate units we cannot see it. Example, water. Can we say 1 water, 2 water? Right? No, we cannot separate it. Flour. Yes, we make rotis with the flour. Atta, we cannot judge that. We cannot separate that. Like 1 atta, 4 atta. We cannot count it. And sand. Sand also we cannot count in a separate unit. Here, you cannot say 1 water, 3 air, 7 music, 11 salt. We cannot say like this, right? So, you can say instead a glass of water, right? A glass of water and a spoonful of salt, right? So, when we are saying about uncountable noun, we use much. Underline it. So, for the countable noun, we use many. There are many flowers. There are many cars, right? But here, we use much when we are saying about uncountable noun, right? You have to note it. We use much with uncountable noun. Yes? There is much water in the glass, right? And there is so much air pollution. So, for the air we use much word. Understood? So, this is the difference between countable and uncountable noun. So, children, note down your homework. You have to read write and by heart. Okay. I may ask you in the test what is countable noun. So you have to say it can be seen as a separate unit, and you have to say the examples like flower, car, pencil, anything. Okay. And when I ask you what is uncountable noun, give example. You have to say the things cannot be seen as separate units are called uncountable noun. An example, you can write water, air, sand, floor, right? So do your homework and kindly submit your FA1 papers to the school. Okay? You have already written, just give that to the school so that we can maintain records.